What's up, Ari Gang? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be touring more mobile homes, manufactured homes. This one caught my eye and it is simply amazing. We're still on the hunt. We're just kind of trying to make sure we can find the best deal for us. And we're at a liquidation mobile home place where everything is very discounted and cheap. But you guys, look at this home. Just look at this space. Walking in feels exactly like a house built from the ground. It is simply amazing. I wish you could be here to just feel it. But this is the dining room. This home has every feature that any house built from the ground up would have. It's simply amazing. Look at the space. Look at the kitchen, the cabinetry, countertops. It is gorgeous. Do you hear me? I just wanted to walk over here and show you the price. See how it is $329,000. But this home, oh baby, it's a house. It is a house. So nice, so luxurious. I mean, it's amazing. Now, I asked, was this a modular home, because it looked modular to me, but she said no, it was not. Just look at the space. I mean, it is top tier. Everything. Gas stove. I told you guys, you can get whatever you want in these homes. If you want gas, you've got it. Look at the counters. Look at the cabinets. Y'all, this was luxury all the way, and this home was so huge. It's huge. This is the pantry off of the kitchen. I mean, nice size pantry, everything you need. This is a computer area where you can just, sit and read or do computer work or have your little business, your little office. Perfect space for that. I mean, I was thinking of all kind of things. Cabinets there. Now here's another little bathroom, right off of the kitchen, off of the office. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I was simply amazed. Even the colors, I thought the color scheme was beautiful. I just fell in love with it. We're still looking. We can't decide if we're just going to add on, because our house is so much cheaper than these that we're looking at. But you guys, look at the flooring on this. Look at the flooring. This is a bedroom, office, whatever you want it to be. This home is huge. Well, I'm telling you, all of the bedrooms were huge. And that's a closet. It just is really amazing, just to see them. It's amazing just to see them and how nice and large and just luxurious they are. Even with all of that said, if your house is close to being paid off, or like ours, it's not close to being paid off, but it wouldn't take much to pay it off, and we could add on and have everything we wanted just like this, much cheaper. Because even with liquidation prices, that home is still $330,000. At that price, I feel like you might as well buy you a home that's built from the ground up. I don't know, but look at these ceilings, you guys. Back door, it's got the fireplace. When I tell you, these homes are made just like a home built from the ground up. I was totally in love with this. Now this is heading to the master. That's just a closet there, but this is the master. And look at that tray ceiling. It's just beautiful. I loved everything about this home. It was magnificent. It really was really nice. And this is the closet. One of the closets. Very huge. Plenty of space, shelving, everything you need. Now this is a master bath. I love that. Loved it. So pretty. So pretty. There's another closet. I mean, I like the quality of everything. The shower was a step up. You have to step up to get into the shower, and then you step down, and it had a place to sit, double shower heads. It's just really nice. Really, really nice. Nice size tub. I wasn't crazy about the area surrounding the tub, but yeah, I could make do. Trust that. I could definitely make do. And this is the throne room for the toilet. But you guys, this home was amazing. I don't want to talk all the way through, but I just want to kind of give you a glimpse into this home and kind of let you know what's going on. It's beautiful. I can't remember if this was 3 or 4 bedrooms, but I really, really liked it. And I mean, I was showing it to my husband because at this time I was just passing by from out of town, and I wanted him to see it. I was there alone, but I don't know, the pricing is not really what we're looking for. We had a budget set for what we wanted to spend, and this is really out of the league of what we wanted to spend. But look at this laundry room, y'all. Look at this laundry room. Look how big. I mean, wow. Okay, there's another bath. So yeah, I believe it was 4 bedrooms, and I think it was 3 baths. Yeah, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Nice size bedrooms, you guys. Nice size. I like the colors, everything. It was just really nice. But like I said, sometimes you have to look at your options. If you can purchase a home built from the ground up around this price, that might be a better bet. You know, with depreciation and everything, you just kind of have to figure it out. Because when I saw that price, I was hoping it would be cheaper. But I'm like, yeah, for that price, you might as well just build a home. And from where I'm staying, you can build a nice house for about that amount. Same look. So, I don't know. You have to weigh it out. Yeah, but it was nice now. Don't get me wrong. It was nice. So, yeah, that's going to be basically the gist of this home. I'm going back through, just taking a double look just to make sure, you know, that I got everything, every angle for you guys to see. I'm trying to take my time and slow down, because one person said that I was going a little too fast and making her head spin. I don't want to do that, so I gotta really slow down for you guys. But I want you to see this, you know. I really want you to see it. Yep, really nice. Now they had some other ones that were much cheaper, but this is what I'm showing you today.